Have you ever wondered how seven-figure marketers actually sit down to put together a successful product launch? You've probably seen super successful affiliates, and you have probably noticed also that these affiliates happen to be product vendors themselves, meaning when you talk about doing affiliate promotions, they are in the top, maybe top 1% to top 5%. Now, they happen to put out product launches also from time to time. In this review, I'm going to be showing you what this particular product is all about, and this is seven-figure launch system review. This is a product put together by Cheney, who is a successful affiliate and also a successful product vendor. So if you have observed this and you actually have the desire to also become a product creator yourself, this is actually a system that opens the curtains and actually shows you what it entails. What are the things that you are going to be able to do in order to put together a successful product launch, even if right now you have zero experience with product launching. Now, to make this even cool for you, I've actually put together some bonuses here that would help you get the best out of the seven-figure launch system, which actually goes live on the 30th of August by 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Most of the successful product vendors that I know put out software from time to time, and that's actually the reason why I am going to be giving you access to one of my own software. You are going to be getting access to white label rights to it, meaning you can actually go ahead and launch this. You don't need to write a single line of code. You don't even need, to pay for hosting and all that. You have the opportunity to actually customize this. I am actually available to work with you if you need any assistance. You want to become a product vendor because you understand that this is actually where the money is, being able to launch your own product, especially software products, in this affiliate marketing space, talking about launching on networks like Warrior Plus, like ClickBank, like JVZoo. If you have your own software or you have your own product and you are able to launch this actually fetches you some quality, some substantial revenue, if you know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go through the custom bonuses that I'm giving you, and then I'm also going to let you see exactly what you are going to be getting inside the seven-figure launch system. So bonus number one, you are going to be getting access to my own recently launched software. This is a cloud-based software that allows you to create unlimited ebooks. But not only that, this allows you to add your affiliate links to these ebooks automatically. You get access to done for you content that you can actually, these ebooks, you can just pick them and automatically add your own affiliate links. But not just that, you get access to funnels. Now, these are actually products on their own that you are going to be able to, have with your name on it, because you can customize this. You can add your own affiliate links to these. You can, give them away as lead magnets. Software allows you to build your list, or you can even go ahead and sell them because you get access to funnels that basically, landing pages that are customizable and that allow you to do practically anything. Bonus number two, you are going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that gives you access to done for you bonus page templates with done for you bonuses, and also you get access to free traffic from the rotator that is also inside the members area of this software. Bonus number 3, just like I explained earlier, you're going to be getting access to a software product, not just the front end, but the 4 upgrades also. Now you have the opportunity to customize these. You are going to be able to reach out to me if you need any kind of assistance. This basically allows you to put out your own software there, and you get the opportunity to put yourself in the top 5% of affiliate. Also, bonus number 4, you are going to be getting access to my own responsive list in the Make Money Online affiliate marketing niche, and you can start mailing this list of 1,000 plus active buyer subscribers. Nobody is going to be offering this at this point in time. Bonus number 5, you are going to be getting access to another cloud-based software that gives you done for you landing page templates. You are going to be getting access to this squeeze page template that you can completely customize. You are also going to get access to videos that show you how to send quality traffic, to build your list, to get the commissions coming in, and then these templates, you can easily customize them and use them basically for any purpose, apart from the fact that they actually come with high converting clickbank products loaded up in these templates, which is pretty cool. Bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to a video traffic software that allows you to embed your own affiliate links on top of other people's viral videos. You don't even have to create one single video. You are going to be able to use other people's viral videos in any niche to drive traffic to your own affiliate links. Bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to software that allows you to create high converting doodle videos. Now all you need to do is get any image, upload the image, and then software does the doodling for you. You get MP4 video you can use to get people's attention. You've probably seen this kind of explainer videos on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook and all, and you can actually use this to get people's attention and drive traffic to any link. And of course, bonus number 8, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses in addition to my own bonuses. Now, to claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this page, and it's going to take you to the sales page of 7-figure launch system, where you're going to be able to pick it up. So here it says, my family laughed at me when I quit my job, but then I made $60,247 with ease in a single weekend, and I want to give you the exact 100% foolproof blueprint for how I did it. Come check out the video presentation, and also come check out the sales page in your own time to get more information about these products. Once again, this is put together by Michael Cheney, who is actually a 7-figure affiliate himself. So come check this out in your own time to get more information about the 7-figure launch system. Let's talk about the pricing now, and then I'm going to let you see the members area, how it looks like. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $9.95, which is pretty cool considering the value you are going to be getting. And even if all you pick up is just the front end, you still get to keep all my custom software and traffic bonuses. Now there are some optional upgrades which you are going to be presented with, which if you want you can decide to pick them up, but which are all completely optional. So that's my review of 7-figure launch system. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Stay tuned right now for the demo.
And today I'm going to be able to give you a sneak peek inside of the members area so you can see exactly what you're getting with the 7-figure launch system. And as you can see on the front page here on the home page, we have Michael Cheney himself, where he's about to spill the beans on how he achieves a launch and makes $400,000 in 1 month. So let's head over to the system so we can see exactly what you're going to be getting inside of here. So he's basically sharing with you his business so you can see how to go about doing this. So step 1, use this money map. Now, when you click on the videos, it's going to open up. You're going to
Hi, Michael Cheney here, and welcome to
You're also going to have a download. You're going to be able to download an MP3 audio, download the transcript. You can also download the video. So it's very handy if you're wanting to take it with you on the go and use it offline as opposed to always being online. Step 2 is extract the maximum money. Step 3 is accelerate to product profits. Step 4 is copy our tech stack. Step 5 is unlock the get rich secret. Step 6 is turn words into money. Step 7 is activate free traffic. Step 8 is blast off to profits. Now, with all of these 8 steps, you're also going to get these bonuses for free when you purchase the 7-figure launch system. You're going to be able to go on the live onboarding session with Michael. Also, you're going to get access to the launch profit calculator, should I say. You're going to get access to the launch profit calculator, the fast profits Rolodex, fast selling framework, the 5-day fast start guide that's going to get you off to a great start. You're going to be guaranteed success and accountability system. You're going to access that. The 7-figure launch system, private community access, and the 7-figure launch codes. Now, if you choose to purchase the additional item when you're at checkout, when you're purchasing the 7-figure launch system for $17.95, you can access the behind the scenes of a $400K month, which we would highly recommend grabbing. OTO 1 is lucrative launch partnership. Now, this is selling for $197. Inside of here, you're going to get the lucrative launch license. You're going to get passive profits partnership. You're going to get automated profits program, the 30K commissions credit, the 1K per day blueprint, the market domination formula, the lifetime profits masterclass. And OTO 2, the 10X profit launches, is selling for $97, where you're going to be able to copy paste profits, copy click campaigns, 10X profit marketing vault, 10X profit masterclass, and bank big bonus pack. OTO 3 is traffic automator, passive profits maximizer. You're going to get a case study there. Traffic acceleration formula, authority activator, the traffic switch, the fast scaling system, the money siphon, the maximum conversion system, and the instant leverage framework. Those are all the products that are available within the 7-figure launch system. Now, you'll be so pleased to hear that our customer support hours with the 7-figure launch system are 24/7. And all you have to do is click this little red chat button down on the right-hand side of your screen to open up the box here, and you'll be able to immediately talk with the dream team. So you can just say, hi, I need help. And you can say what it is with my blah, 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 blah. And then you're going to get a custom support team member. We have 7 dream team members that are available that are going to join the chat, and one of them will be able to help you straight away. So instead of banging your head on the wall trying to work out how to do something, you're going to be able to get support every day of the week, Monday to Sunday, every hour, every minute of the day, every second of the day. So all you need to say is, I'm a little bit stuck and need help with module with getting my link. So you'll probably want to give some more details in that. You can actually attach files and etc., but you'll be able to get help straight away. Alternatively, you can also send in a ticket to our dream team just by clicking on the button here. That is actually going to take you over to this window here, where you will be able to just fill in a ticket and that will be responded to later. But if you do need help immediately, you will be able to pop in what your query is here and get assistance straight away from someone who is highly equipped and highly trained of the 7-figure launch system customer support team. So That's it. That is the 7-figure launch system. Like I said earlier, it is going live at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, the 30th of August. We wish you well, and we hope to see you on the inside. Bye for now.